Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you didn't know already, turn on that notification. Subscribe, turn on that notification bell. Wait, let me start again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you didn't know already, my name's Abby Lee, so let's go into the video. Before we do, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the notifications bell so you get notified every time I post a video. Today I'm here with Emily Gray. Go subscribe to her channel, we'll link that in the description. Hashtag MONEM. Okay, let's go into the video. So today we're going to be hashtag MONEM. EM. Okay, today we're going to be fixing Glitter Putty, which is extremely hard. Make sure you go check out the other. Oh, she said she's so cute. My mum on my iPad, she's messing me. Oh, you guys, if you're wondering why in the video I keep on saying, oh, my mum said this, because I'm getting a new cat and she keeps on messaging me photos of it. So we'll put these in together. Let's just go through all the beads and remove all the beads.
And put them in here.
Yep. Maybe we can use them for the Fruit Loop slime.
Yeah, we forgot to put these beads.
Oh yeah, put them in the Fruit Loop slime. Them beads. After. Okay guys, I think that's all the beads in it. Let's go through one part at a time. Yep, that's all the beads in that one. Yep, in that one.
Look, you can't even poke it. It's that hard, you can't even get your fingers down.
It's so hard, it's like as hard as a rock. Oh, found another one. Okay, keep them over there. Move this container, or use this container for lotion. This is what we're going to be putting lotion in. Okay guys, so some lotion.
Can we add baby oil?
Baby oil, not to this one. No.
I know.
But maybe the next one.
How are you meant to mix? It doesn't even move.
Okay guys, this might be an extreme fail.
And mess.
Oh, it's starting to get more stickier. But it's still staying hard. Do you want to open up the blinds? Because sorry about the light. Can you open the blinds up a bit? Just open them one side a bit.
Like that way?
Yeah, that way. Yeah. That scared the crap out of me. Okay, so I'm going to be working on one a bit at a time. Yeah, that's better. Is that lighting better, guys? I hope it is. What?
I'm scared.
Come on. Guys, as the color got lighter, is it more stretchier? I think it's time to go real. Put all of them beads in there.
So guys, it is starting to get softer, but not like...
Is it 100% softer?
Yeah, kind of. But not perfect.
Add this into the slime.
Not stretchy.
Add this into the slime.
No.
This slime. No, where's that slime? Oh, my Fruit Loop slime. Yeah? Oh no, I don't think I want these in. No, I don't think I want them in.
Yeah, I don't need it.
I'm trying to get all of keep that in there. Okay. So we're still trying to fix this. Now I think it's real time to put in some baby oil. Or we can add the shaving gel too.
Yeah, and we need to use the activator once we fix it. We're going to need not that much baby oil.
Oh yeah, you don't know, do ya? Okay, is there another little container? Okay, good. Add some in there.
And then we're going to have to keep the lid off.
Yeah, that's enough. Yeah?
Yeah.
Then put that there.
And then we need to activate it.
Should we mix this? Yep, there we go. Okay, keep on mixing. Do you want to work with some?
I'm fine with that.
So guys, this video may take a long time. We may fail. We might have to do it in another video too. If we do, it is starting to get softer.
But not stretchier or pokier. Did that go on my carpet?
Yes.
I'm gonna add.
What? Chores. Be nice, be good. Share. Listen, be kind, have manners. Do not swear.
That's for Riley.
Eat dinner or don't punch and
Riley.
don't kick.
Riley.
Names, Emily and Riley.
I know. But not everything's for me. Oh, I found another bead.
I think I'm gonna keep on going with that.
I'm gonna add in some activator.
No.
Can
Activator makes it harder.
I? How?
Activator makes it harder.
I
It makes it go together. This shaving gel is doing such a good job.
I only added it since.
Baby oil doesn't even work. I don't think baby oil helps making it softer.
You never know. Sometimes it may, sometimes it
Use some.
won't.
No. What?
It's all over your dress.
Stop.
It didn't even go in yet, and you dropped some more.
I'm out of here.
Look, my phone isn't white. So guys, I just left so. Now it's still on me.
Oh, scared me.
This is the slime I'm working on. Abby left some. She knows where she went. But this is the slime. It's kind of better actually. I'm gonna add in some lotion. Okay. Now that I added in some lotion, it shall make it better.
Riley, don't go in there.
So
I'm not.
it started to get better.
What are you doing?
Riley, it started to go better, but like, not that better. I mean, it's better than Abby's to be honest. Because her slime's like all white, but my slime's good. Can you me too?
They're mine.
Did you get them?
They're mine.
Can I have two? I said two.
Oh my god. Open your mouth. Ew. I can't touch you. Use this, it really works.
I'm doing myself. I made it a little more stretchier. Yeah, I just added lotion.
Two.
This.
Did baby oil work?
Mm.
I'm sure.
But only a little bit.
Oh, you did! Now do that bit.
This bit's gonna be hard because you added more gel soon.
Okay, bye guys. We'll show you the slimes in the next video. Bye. Maybe it might be a fail.